Today we are going to see how to realize the expression to NAND gates. So here the question is given as this mean term should be realized using NAND gates only. You can use only NAND gates. So first what you have to do, you have to find the K-map of this expression, and for that function, instead of giving it in the AND or inverted logic gates, you have to use only NAND gates. In that you can't use the basic gates. Okay, the basic gates are AND or not. You can't use that gates. Instead of that, you can use only NAND gates. Why you are going for NAND gates is that NAND gates are nothing but they are the universal gates. You can express all the other gates using NAND gates. So you go for a NAND gate. Okay. Now, this is the symbol of a NAND 2-input NAND gate. 2-input NAND gate. It has two, if A and B are the inputs. When you are giving a NOT over here, this will be A, B, the whole bar. It is an into operation, isn't it? So A into B, both the inputs that you are giving will be multiplied, and the NOT expression that you are using will be a bar, inverter. Okay, so first you have to see how many bits are there. It is a 3-bit data. Why you are saying it is 3-bit data? Only the data ends in 7. So 0 to 7. 0 to 7 means it is a 3-bit data. So you can take a 3-bit K-map. Zero 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 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. As there is no expression, functions is not given over here, I am taking a B, C. Okay. Now whatever data is given, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whatever expressions are given over here, you can give it as 1, 1, 4, 5, 7. Now you have to group. There is no don't care over here. So you can group this. You can't give any adjacent sides are not there. So you can give it as a 2-bit grouping. Okay. Corresponding A has no, here A is having changes. So you're going for B bar, C bar. Okay. Next, I'm taking these two. If they were adjacent, I can take it together. But there's a space over here. Okay. This will be B, C. Okay. Now I can either take these two or these two. That is depends upon you. Which one you want, you can take. Now I am taking like this two. Let it be this two. If you are taking these two things, don't forgo another grouping. Okay. Some can take these two, no problem. Some can take these two. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഏത് വേണേലും ചെയ്യാം. പക്ഷേ കണ്ടീഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരാൾ ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യമേ വരാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ, നിർബന്ധമുണ്ട്. നിവൃത്തിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ അയാളെ രണ്ടാമത് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകാവൂ. ഓക്കെ. സോ I'm going for these two grouping. I will get A, B bar. A, B bar. This is the expression that I am getting after after completing the K-map. Now my aim is to convert this to a NAND gate. So I know what is a NAND gate. If you're getting A and B, you have to get A, B bar. Then only it will be a NAND gate. If you're using an AND gate, what happens? This is NAND. What happens? If you're using an AND gate, if you're giving A and B, you will get only A into B. This is A into B, the whole bar. So you have to get that expression. That means you have to note the data. For noting that, you can see this is a B bar, C bar. This is A into B. Isn't it? This is also, for example, I'm telling you, this is B into C. This is A into B bar. So this is all in the AND condition. You have to convert this AND to a NAND condition. So A into B, to convert to your NAND condition, what you have to do? You have to give a bar over there. A into B, the whole bar. So I'm giving a whole bar over here. So that means this AND expression is converted to a NAND expression. Here also A into B, AND is there. You have to convert to a NAND operation. A into B bar, that is also an AND operation. If you're giving a bar over there, it will convert to a NAND operation. Second thing, in AND operation there should not be any plus sign over there. You have to convert that. For that, what I am doing is I am giving this all to it together to a whole bar. That means B bar C bar the whole bar into B C bar the whole bar into A B bar the whole bar the whole bar. So what happens? Your plus will be converted to a into. Now you got all the expression in your NAND condition. So whatever expression you're getting, that should be converted to NAND using a bar. Hope you got this. Now I'm going to draw. I got a B bar C bar. So directly I can write it as B bar C bar, that to a NAND condition. Then only I will get B bar C bar the whole bar. First expression is there. Second, I'm getting B C. So I'm giving it directly to a NAND gate. I will get B C the whole bar. Okay. Third expression, I got A B bar. Whatever expression I'm getting, I'm writing like that. And that I am converting to a NAND gate to get A B bar the whole bar. Now what you have to do? You have to get one more whole bar over there. So the 3 you are giving to a 3 input NAND gate to get B bar C bar the whole bar into B C bar the whole bar into A B bar the whole bar the whole bar. Okay. If you want to find your answer is, the correct answer that you're getting is B bar C bar plus B C plus A B bar. This is your correct answer. You have to get this answer. So what happens? You can apply the De Morgan's law over here to get the correct answer. Okay. What happens if you're getting a De Morgan's law? What is De Morgan's law? A into B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Isn't it? And A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. This is the De Morgan's law. And A double bar is also equal to A. That is the duality property. Applying these all properties, you can convert it back to your original data. So what happens if I'm breaking the data? So A into B the whole bar, if you're breaking this bar over here, what happens? A bar plus into will change to plus. A bar plus B bar. Over here, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. That means the barring will be separated when you're cutting it. So when I'm cutting this barring, what happens? You will get B bar, C bar, double bar, isn't it? So when you're cutting it, into will be changing to plus. B, C, double bar plus A, B bar, double bar. So A double bar is equal to A. So what you will get? B bar, C bar, double bar will be get cancelled. It will equal to A, the term itself. So you will get B bar, C bar plus B, C plus A, B bar. So if you're converting your NAND gate also, you will get the same expression. Okay. So if you're going for a soft form, your soft form will be in the NAND conditions. So it is easy for you to convert to a NAND condition. Suppose in the question they are asking you to, this is in a soft form function, you have to find the pose form of this. You have to find the opposite. Suppose if you realize the following expression, pose expression. So what happens? If it is in a pose form, you have to give zeros over here. And the expression will be in a alternate way. So don't get confused. NAND gate is the basic thing that we are using everywhere. So soft form is the basic thing. So you can go for soft form. And in the last, we can go through what you mean by a pose form. Otherwise, you will get confused. Hope you got this. So whatever expression you are getting, after doing your K-map, whatever expressions you are getting, for all the expressions, you have to convert it to a NAND gate by giving a bar. This is the basic thing that you have to understand. A into B operation to convert to NAND gate, you have to give a bar over there. How many terms? If you are having 3 input A, B, C, you have to A, B, C the whole bar. Okay, whatever terms are getting, you have to give it to a whole bar. Suppose you're getting only a single term, R bar or A bar is a single term, then you can give that to also to a NAND gate. Okay, that should, if you're getting, I told you, for example, if you're getting A bar plus BC bar plus BD, if you're getting like this, your A bar should also be NANDed, BC bar should be NANDed, BD should be NANDed, and whole this should be given to another NAND gate, and which the symbol changes from plus to into. So when you're breaking, this will be double bar and it will go, you will get A bar itself. Okay, hope you got this. If you want to go for the previous questions we have done, you can do that also in using a NAND gate. Okay, just go through and see whether it is able for you to realize. If there is any clarification, please let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.